Hey guys, welcome to Great Indian Cooking. If you're here for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, share. And we are in the second series, Snack Attack. And today we're going to see a wonderful recipe from the state of Bihar, which is Bihari Duska. For that we need 1 cup of rice, Bengal gram half cup, green chilies 4 and garlic 3 numbers, salt to taste and oil to fry. Very simple recipe guys as usual. So we're just going to soak the rice and half cup of Bengal gram overnight because it has to have a resting time of at least 4 to 5 hours. If you leave it overnight, that will be too good to taste. And while grinding we're going to put the green chilies and garlic and salt. So I have soaked like this, so you can soak it after washing 3-4 times. Now to grind it, I'm just going to put the garlic and the green chilies into it. I'm using with the skin because I like the taste of garlic with the skin. So you can even shed it and then you can use it, and salt to taste. So mind, if you are putting lesser salt, that's fine, but do not put more salt because this cannot be undone. So put salt as per your taste, lesser is fine, then you can actually taste it after grinding and you can add as per your taste. So now we are going to grind this into a smooth texture. We are not going to grind it coarsely, we are going to grind it more fine, so that while making the duska it will be crispy. So we do not want the lumps of the dal into this. See, this is the correct consistency we want. Do not make it watery also because we can't do it. Now in the hot pan I'm just going to pour it with a ladle. If you have round ladle at home, it will be very easy. And people who have made malpua at home, so the same way, duska is a namkeen salty version of malpua, I would say. Ingredients are different guys, do not confuse. The same way we are going to make this duska. So while pouring it, you would feel that the corners have become crispy and the middle part is softer. And Biharis actually make this as an evening snack, and moreover this is made during the Holi. How I knew it is through my friend Priya. Her mother-in-law used to make this for Holi with sweet chutney. So we are going to have this wonderful Bihari dish from my friend's house direct to you, and you have to flip it over to the other side so that both the sides get cooked up. So leave it in medium flame guys, because the inside out of this duska has to be cooked. If you like the taste of mustard oil, this will be a wonderful dish actually. The pungency or the sharp taste of the mustard oil actually complements the duska with garlic. It tastes too good. You do not need any accompaniment, but just in case, if you like it, you can have it with sweet chutney. Guys, if you want the recipe for sweet chutney, please let me know. So I always use 2 ladles and press off the excess oil because this drinks a lot of oil guys. So mind it. So just be careful while pressing, like how I did it right now. Do not do it, then the hot oil would actually splash in your hands and then you would say that Vidya, you never told me that the oil would be hot. That's not the case guys. So better press it and then use it. See, I'm just going wrong with this because it's too oily and slippery. So just be careful while pressing it and doing it. So this will give a good crunchiness and less of oil. Or otherwise you can actually use a tissue and press out. Guys, I feel that when you're having oily dishes, let's be liberal. If you're not having oily dishes, then just avoid all these snack items. That is it. Either this way or that way. There is no middle way to it. So there is no healthy way of making oil or oily dishes or snacks. It's not a healthy way. You can just make it and then have it just for the taste, but and do not have it quite often. That might be a good method of cutting down on cholesterol items like this. But I feel that quite often even oil and the fat is required for the body. So I have poured another ladle of the batter and I'm cooking the duskas for you again. So if you have the grinded batter, this is actually a very easy recipe. Supposing say you have idli batter left out, then you can just put quick way of making duska that will not taste good as good as this one, but then still a workaround I would say. You have leftover dosa batter, you just have little bit of gram flour and then just make it into the correct consistency, and then just put ginger, garlic and green chili paste into it, and then just beat it up and then pour like this. That can be a quick duska recipe, which is an addition I'm giving you, but that would not taste as good as this one, guys. The original is always the better one. So press it nicely like this, guys, and you can have it as an evening snack too, along with coffee. That is it, guys. The duska is set. So if you're here for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and leave your comments. Thank you.